Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 5a, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Then scroll all the way down and click on System. Now select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Keyboard. After that, click on Theme section and scroll all the way down. Then choose Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available themes. Finally, just click on the best one for you, in my case this one. Click on this switcher next to keyboarders to switch them off or on, and tap on Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings, swipe up, and click on this plus icon under my themes in order to customize it. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply. If you can't see it over here, tap on one of those apps or tap on those three lines at the top left corner and select one of those sources, like Downloads. Finally, click on the photo, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, choose Next. Now you can adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher and choose Apply. If you wish to delete one of your keyboards, click on it, tap on this pin icon next to keyboarders and confirm your choice in the pop-up. In order to edit one of your custom ones, click on the chosen one, tap on this pin icon next to pin 1 and make your changes. Remember to choose Apply again. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!